Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Let the inspiration lead you. Spend time reflecting and contemplating while seeking your intuition and wisdom. But when the inspiration calls you to move forward into the unknown with uncertainty and doubt invading your mind, trust your source, take a leap, and know that He will provide and cause you to triumph. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this. Again, I believe this with all my heart and soul. I believe that you let go of that ego and just follow the doors that open. Don't worry about things. I believe that you'll always be happy. But truly follow your heart. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.